You guys, we actually did hit 100 subs here on YouTube. I just want to thank you guys so much for this huge accomplishment. We did it together. We are literally the best musical fam here on YouTube. I just can't get over this. Thank you guys so much. Please go check out the video that we posted on Saturday, and I hope you enjoy Mr. B Makes Wendy's Frosties.
All right, hello everybody, how do you do? I'm glad you're here today, and welcome back to another Make It Monday, now Mr. B Makes, here on the channel. So today, as you guys can see by the thumbnail, we are making something that I am like super excited for. We are making Wendy's Frosties. DIY, from home, from scratch. We're gonna see how this works. Hopefully we can make this work. Really quick, before we get into today's video, we did hit 100 subscribers over the weekend. We are currently at 103. So just thank you guys so much. I made a whole separate video for it, so if you haven't gotten a chance to watch it, I'll put the thumbnail up on the screen now. And if you guys would like to go and check it out, you are more than welcome to. It'll also be in the iCards and the end card of this video. And second, big announcement coming in tomorrow's Reaction Tuesday video. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. And third, what was my third thing? I can't think of my third. Oh, Demo. I had to think. Brain. Don't laugh at me. If you guys did not know, we have a partner for our Mr. B Makes video. As you guys saw, Julia was on the channel for our bouncy ball video, and she is back because we are both connoisseurs of Frosties, and it's a beautiful thing. But anyway, Demo. We will be posting and premiering Demo, as you guys can see, at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the channel Monday, Wednesday, and then on Friday, we'll be doing it at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our regular upload time. So 1 p.m. for Demo on Monday and Wednesday, and then 12 o'clock for Friday, because that'll be our regular Friday upload. Just wanted to let you guys know that, just so people were like, where are the Demo videos? That's where they are. So if you watch episode 4 on Friday and you're like, where's episode 2 and 3? Because you missed Monday and Wednesdays. There will be a playlist linked at each of those videos that has all the videos already in it. So check out Demo. It was super fun to record this week, but let's get into it. Now, the ingredients that you will need is you will need a can of sweetened condensed milk. The recipe that we found that said Eagle brand has 8 ounces of it, or 14 ounces of it that we're going to be making for this recipe. You will need Cool Whip. This thing takes a whole thing of Cool Whip. I cannot believe that this thing takes a whole thing of Cool Whip. And you will need chocolate milk. We all know what chocolate milk looks like. Chocolate milk. You will need a bowl and a measuring cup if you need it. And then we also have things to stir with. We have spoons, we have whisks. I'm super excited. And this video is also going to be a little bit different because we are literally just going to show little aspects of it and then show you guys the final product. If you would like to catch, the behind the scenes stuff of like when we're mixing and things like that, you can watch those in our vlog videos that go up every Saturday at 12 o'clock. So if you'd like to check out some behind the scenes stuff from this, it will be in the vlog. So without further ado, we are going to get into making this. So I'm just going to explain things, and then I will cut to us doing like some stirring and things like that, and then us freezing it, and then us trying it. So we need to use this whole thing of Cool Whip, this whole thing of sweetened condensed milk. And see, I don't know what this tastes like. It's not like creamer, but it's like thick creamer.
So it kind of tastes nasty?
Yeah, I mean, it's interesting. It's an interesting taste. It's an interesting taste. I love chocolate milk, so like if we have any chocolate milk left, that whole rest of that thing is getting drank. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start filling it. So you need a whole can of sweetened condensed stuff. You need a whole can of this, and you need a half a gallon of chocolate milk, which is 8 cups. Surprisingly enough, I asked Siri, and she said it was 8 cups, so we trust Siri. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get into this, and I will catch you guys while we're doing some mixing. All right, so as you guys can see, we have all we have all of our ingredients in our bowl. This is gonna make a mess. I don't know how we're gonna be able to mix this. This is gonna be crazy. But yeah, now we have to mix this so it's consistent and then freeze it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. This does not look like a Frosty. This does not look appetizing, but
It's not a Frosty.
yet. It's a bowl of mixed nonsense at the current moment. But anyway, we will be back once we are done finding a way to mix this. I will catch you guys after when we're putting it in the freezer. All right, so we have it done. This is our bowl. I'm going to try a little bit of it without freezing it, just to see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh, it tastes like a Frosty.
Does it really?
Oh my gosh, it actually tastes like a Frosty. Woo! I'm so excited. Okay, I cannot wait until this stuff freezes. Oh, this is no, I can't double dip because that's unsanitary. But anyway, no. So we're gonna cover this. We're gonna find a way to freeze this. Quarantine freezers are not empty freezers. We'll put it that way. So we're gonna find a way to freeze this. If anything, I will drink that milk. You guys might get a bonus clip of me chugging a half a gallon of chocolate milk. Just saying. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna cover this up. We're gonna find a way to freeze it, and I guess it'll be a couple of hours for us, but it should be only a couple seconds for you guys. So I will catch you guys when we get back after we have freeze this and we have our Frosty.
And here our child shall sit for a few hours. Good night, sweet prince.
You know, it's a shame that we just have this whole half a gallon of chocolate milk left, you know? So I guess we'll just have to take care of that. Okay, we're back. Sorry for the cut. I really, oh God, I feel like I got to burp again. See, none of the milk's gone. We still have the same amount. It's a lot more milk than what I thought it was. Oh my gosh. Oh. That's my dinner for the day. Oh, I did it. You have to leave a like now that I just drank a whole half a gallon of chocolate milk. Oh, I need to go let my stomach settle. All right, so after roughly 6 hours in the freezer, I think we finally have a Frosty-ish consistency. I think if we were to ideally do this, I think we'd let it sit kind of overnight, but it looks pretty good. Now it is time for the taste test. That does taste like a Frosty. That does taste like a Frosty. Does taste like a Frosty, right? Mm-hmm. She said, mm-hmm.
It's like Frosty.
We ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 more bowls worth of Frosty. So we have plenty of Frosty. So if anybody wants a Frosty, no, we're gonna eat them. No worries. But anyway, that was successful. So if you guys would like to try this at home, it does work. If you would like to cut the recipe in half, that would probably be worth a good idea because it makes a lot. So if you just want some for like you and your family, I would recommend doing it in half. But anyway, that is all for today's Mr. B Makes video, or Make It Monday Mr. B Makes video. Thank you to Julia for helping out.
Bye, guys.
She's waving and saying bye. Mom, TR, you guys like them? Are they good?
They're very good.
Good. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you guys decide to try these and how they turn out for you. And subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the content. But other than that, we'll see everybody for Reaction Tuesday. And do not forget to check out our demo video that's going live at 1 o'clock right after this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Mr. B is out.
They're all big, like, yeah.
Is it good, bud?
He says yes, very much so.
Even our dog liked Mr. B's Frosties.